So as a photographer, we need something that is going to hold all of our precious equipment because that stuff is expensive. And usually it's in a bag, and I'm going to show you guys what's in my camera bag today. I actually am going to do an updated one because I did one a few years ago right here in my room. Well, I was in a different room, but I'm in my bedroom again for nostalgic purposes because that's where it started off in the first video. And I'm going to show you what I upgraded and then also show you some things that I eliminated because I'm really more in that minimalistic mode with what I'm carrying. So let's get into it, and hopefully this helps you when you're thinking about what's going on in your bag. All right, y'all, so this is the Pelican case, and this is what I use usually if I want to have it roll around. It has wheels on it, and in my last video this was the case that I wanted, so shout out to my mom for gifting this to me. She's always the best and always, you know, believes in me, so this was from her. But I love the olive green color. I just love that color, and it really does protect a lot of the things, all of my equipment, because it has that hard body, and I can, you know, bump into something and I can just know that my stuff is protected. So I absolutely love it. It is the 1510 case, 1510, as you can see right there, 1510 case. And it's really good for traveling, and if I want to protect my gear on sets and things like that in a more stronger way. Okay, and next we have my old faithful book bag. This was the one in my previous video. I've had it for years now. It is from Endurex, and y'all, it is beautiful. It really does like support my back because there are moments where like I need that support, and it has all of this just nice comfy material. And I got it off of Amazon years ago, but y'all, we are still going strong. And one of the things that I do is probably not the best thing, or it's the lazy way. I usually put this inside the case and I keep it like that. I also have the compartments that Pelican has, that where you can put like I think it's like styrofoam dividers and things like that. But I've been lazy. I know. I'm going to get it together. But sometimes I'll just put that right in here and I'm good to go. But now let's open this thing up and see what we got. All right, y'all. So this is how it looks open. All these compartments are really nice and soft so that all of my equipment can be protected. At the top, we have the Canon 5D Mark IV. And this is attached with the 24-70 millimeter lens, but as you can see, that it is the 5D Mark IV, and I'll just keep it on there sometimes just for easy access. And then we have the nifty 50, and this is the 50 millimeter f1.8, so the lowest of their, you know, f-stop. And y'all, I've had that for years. Like, I'm never getting rid of my 50 millimeter. It is perfect. It is a nice portrait lens, and I love it. So then I have this here, which really gets a lot of good dust away and out of the camera. So if I take this off of here, I'll kind of go in there, and it's really, really good. I suggest everybody should have one of these because it can get some really good dust off of your lens, and it just works. Over here, this right here is my memory card case. So I keep all of my memory cards in here. Really good. Got this off of Amazon. And this right here is my flash, and it's a Godox flash. It is the TT350. And it is really good. It only takes 2 AA batteries, and sometimes it does drain really quick, so I would keep some batteries on hand for sure. And that's what I have right here. As you can see, some batteries right there. And what else do I have in here? Okay, so I have also my battery charger and an extra battery. We always need an extra. Please carry an extra if you can. And then this is, oh yeah, this is just one of my lens cases, pouches, and I just keep it on hand in case I want to, you know, walk with a lens or something like that. And okay, this is for the 50 millimeter to go on the lens, and that can really help with the light and sculpting it a little bit. And so yeah, that's really all I have, guys. It has a nice compartment here for like my laptop if I want to put in there, another nice compartment, and that is about it. I got rid of the 35 millimeter lens that I used to have because I had to upgrade to the 24-70, and this is the lens that I use all the time. It's so versatile. It is my favorite one. I always suggest people to get this one because it really does everything. Portraits, you can do some landscape. It's very wide, so you can do events. It's just very, oh, I love it. And the quality is chef's kiss. Like, I love it. I love it. So this is my minimalistic bag. I don't carry too much, and it really does help me on my shoots. Now, I definitely do have some continuous studio lights, but that can't fit in here, obviously. But yeah, this is me in 2025 compared to, I believe, 2020 when I did the video last time, and we'll see maybe in the next 2 years what I upgrade to, what I get rid of, and how this bag evolves. Alright, so that was my updated camera bag haul. I hope it helped you, and if you're a photographer out there, just keep shooting and keep going because we need your creativity in this world. But thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you in the next video.